ప్రెసిడెంట్ గారు అలాగే అనిమాల్ మేడం గారికి మిగతా నా పేరు పేరున వాళ్ళందరికీ తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. నాకు అవకాశాన్ని ఇచ్చినందుకు, అలాగే మీరందరికీ కూడా బెస్ట్ విషెస్ తెలియజేస్తూ నేను ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయడం చాలా ఆనందంగా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే ముఖ్యంగా నేను కొన్ని మేడం చెప్పినట్టు కొటేషన్స్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. మన రోటరీలో కూడా సర్వీస్ అబౌవ్ సెల్ఫ్, అదేవిధంగా ఈ ఇయర్ మనకి మ్యాజిక్ ద వరల్డ్, ఈ అన్ని కూడా తీసుకుంటే మన కాన్సెప్ట్ బేస్గా తీసుకుంటే మనకున్న బాధ్యతని గుర్తు చేస్తాయి. ఒక విధంగా చెప్పాలంటే నేను చిన్నప్పటి నుంచే సర్వీస్ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టము, కానీ అప్పుడులో ఈ రోటరీ ఇంటరాక్ట్లు లేవు. లేకపోయినా సరే అట్ ది ఏజ్ ఆఫ్ 7-8 years నుంచి నేను సర్వీస్ స్టార్ట్ చేశాను. ఈ సర్వీస్ నాకు లైఫ్లో మీకు అంటే అది ఎక్కువ ఇష్టపడుతూ ఉండేవాడు, సర్వీస్ చేయడం, అందరికి హెల్ప్ చేయడము. ఈవెన్ నాకు ఫస్ట్ ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు, అది హియరింగ్ మై వాయిస్, నేను ఫస్ట్ ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ మంత్ జీతం తీసుకొని వస్తుంటే మా ఫ్రెండ్ మా క్లోజ్ ఫ్రెండ్ అనమాట, అప్పుడు ఇంటర్మీడియట్ చదివాము, వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ చనిపోయారని వాళ్ళు చెప్పానే ఆ జీతం పట్టుకుని వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిపోయి ఆ డబ్బులు అక్కడే ఖర్చు పెట్టి 3 రోజులు వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో ఉన్నా. సో ఆ విధంగా చేయడం వల్ల ఈ రోజు నేను ఎన్నుకున్న దాంట్లోనే దేవుడు కూడా నాకు ఒక ప్రొఫెషన్నే ఒక ప్యాషన్గా మార్చేశారు. సో స్కిల్ డెవలప్మెంట్లో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాను. రోజే ఏదో 1-2 యాక్టివిటీస్లో ఉంటాను, మినిమం ఒక 100s of members తోటి. ఇప్పుడు ఈ సర్వీస్ ఎక్కువ ఇష్టపడడం వల్ల నాకు ఆ దేవుని ఆశీస్సుతో సుమారుగా 500 villages తిరిగి ఉంటాను. 2 lakhs డైలీ 2 lakhs బెనిఫిట్ పొందుంటారు స్కిల్స్లో. సో మీ అందరికీ కూడా వన్స్ అగైన్ విషెస్ తెలియజేస్తూ, ఫస్ట్ లవ్ ఆల్, సర్వ్ ఆల్ అండ్ వర్క్ నెవర్ అండ్ సర్వ్ ఎవర్. ఇదే మెయిన్ కాన్సెప్ట్గా ఉంటే మనం ఏదైనా సాధించవచ్చు జీవితంలో. థ్యాంక్ యూ. విష్ణువర్ధన్ protractor Chetana lead documentation. Protractor Ashita, Dean of Editorial. Protractor Akansha Gupta, Lead of Community Services.
Protractor Abdul Rahman, Lead Community Services. Protractor Japanami, Lead for International Services. Yes. Protractor Govind Modi, Lead for Professional Services. Protractor Ananya, Lead for PR and Media. Protractor Rudresh Prasad, Lead Photography. Protractor Nandita, Chairman of Education, due to unavoidable circumstances, she is not here. Protractor Tejshmi K, Director and Designer, she is also not here. Protractor Priyanka, Director of Short Teach. Now I request Vinay and Vinay sir to administer votes for directors of chairpersons. Protractor Nandita, Chairman of Education, due to unavoidable circumstances, she is not here. Protractor Tejshmi K, Director and Designer, she is also not here. Protractor Priyanka, Director of Short Teach. Now I request Vinay and Vinay sir to administer votes for directors of chairpersons.
make some connections. Like we started a international meet with Rotary Club of Panaji, which is in Nepal. We had some good times when we still had a group to chat with them. And all here, I believe the network is not the network you have, but the network you really build. And I started doing this. Yeah, this would be my all-time favorite event of blood donation campaign. So which we raised around 100 units of blood in the time of need. And I personally feel this is the one which makes us all unite. Saving someone's life would be just not a certificate, but it's something more than it. It feels by you please, in fact, saving someone's life, not a This is event which we visited some girls from nearby at the collaboration of Interclubs of Geetham.
Moving forward, it's always an honor to introduce someone who embodies our knowledge and vision.
Indeed, Rishika. Let me take the honor to introduce our President Protractor Sai Jashwant Kodali, a distinguished 50-year law student at Geetham University. He has excelled academically and gained valuable experience through internships. His journey with Rotaract has been nothing short of extraordinary. As President of the Rotaract Club of Geetham, he made some impactful contributions and projects. He also served as the committee head for Mad Carnival, a district conference by Rotary International District 3020, and represented his club in the Inter-District Youth Exchange in Mumbai. Also, he served as a community service director in the year 2022-23. He also the founder and the president of Equitas Public Welfare Society and trustee at Sri Kodali Jagan Mohan Rao Charitable Trust. His leadership extends to numerous community services, including orphanage visits and social legal camps. Now that the moment we have all been waiting for, the official winning of our incoming president by our installation officer, Rotarian CA Vinay Gandhi Garu. Let's make this moment memorable. I request Rotarian CA Vinay Gandhi Garu to pin and administer oath to our president, Jashwant Kodali.
Protractor Sai Jashwant Kodali.
Do solemnly swear
Do solemnly swear
that I will sincerely execute
that I will sincerely execute
the office of the Rotaract Club of Geetham
the office of the Rotaract Club of Geetham
and shall do my best
and shall do my best
to keep up decorum
to keep up decorum
of the Rotaract movement
of the Rotaract movement
by upholding the Constitution
by upholding the Constitution
and statement of policy
and statement of policy
of our organization.
of our organization.
వెరీ ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ యూ అని చెప్తాను. ఈ రోజుల్లో పిల్లలు ఆ విధంగా ఎదగాలి కదా, లేడీస్ నేను
I will sincerely execute the office of Rotary Club of Geetham and shall do my best to keep up I will sincerely execute the office of Rotary Club of Geetham and shall do my best to keep up
Protractor. Protractor Common Joint Secretary.
For any activity you can ban one help. First place.
Now I request Rotarian Vinay Gandhi sir to administer vote for executive body.
Member of Rotary Club of Geetham
Bonafide member of Rotary Club of Geetham,
do solemnly promise
do solemnly promise
that I will abide by,
I will abide by,
follow
follow,
and uphold
and uphold
all the provisions of
all the provisions of
Constitution
Constitution
and bylaws of this club,
and bylaws of this club,
the district
and
those of the Rotary International,
those of the Rotary International,
and to the best of my ability
and to the best of my ability,
live up to the expectations of the club
live up to the expectations of the club
and my commitments
and my commitments
and responsibilities
and responsibilities
as a member
as a member
or as a director.
or as a director.
Congratulations.
I would like to introduce my enthusiastic directors and chairpersons. Protractor Rishita, Director Club Services. Protractor Tejmi, Community Service Director, due to some unavoidable circumstances, he is not here. Protractor Atini, Director of International Services. Protractor Joshmita, Director of New Generations. Protractor Namasudha, Professional Service Director. Protractor Isha Manoja, Director.
Do solemnly promise
That
that
I will abide
I will abide
by,
by,
follow and uphold all the provisions of the Constitution
all the provisions of the Constitution
and bylaws of this club,
and bylaws of this club,
the district
the district,
and those of Rotary International,
and those
Bonafide member of Rotary Club of Geetham, do solemnly promise that I will abide, follow, and uphold all the provisions of the Constitution and bylaws of the club, the district, and those of the Rotary International, and to the best of my ability, live up to the expectations of the club and my commitments and responsibilities as a member and as a director. Congratulations.